Just how I like him.
Lick his head.
Ew, ew, you don't want to touch that.
I would have done if he hadn't stopped me.
I'm sure it would have been salty.
I'm definitely cutting the audio out of this.
No, you're not. These are the best bits. When you put me in charge. Oh, he's touching his big lens.
He's got a big lens. Sorry guys, I actually
That was awesome. And
I've enjoyed that.
It's all videos. Oh, that's gravelly. Right. What here? He shoots in the
Just 'cause it's all
raw.
white, there's nothing there.
Look at all these people. They're all wet, just like me.